Welcome back, Perucci gang.
What is up? Welcome back.
We're at a new track today, brand new.
It's called Cam's Drift Complex.
It looks really badass.
And it's up here in Oklahoma. So it's actually kind of closer to us than the rest of the events that we go to.
It's closer than all of them.
Tell us about the track. What do you know?
Just from what I've seen videos of when they were testing it, it looks really cool because they can make so many different variations of the track, whereas a lot of tracks, you can have like 3 drift setups. I think this one's pretty much unlimited to options that you can drift. So.
All right, so today is the grand opening of this place. So we don't know what to expect. Everyone's just arriving. We're all getting set up, so stay tuned. All right, Co, tell us what you've done differently to your car for this event.
This event or just in the last 2?
In the last few.
Well, I had to make a longer fuel line because the car caught on fire. And I haven't
seen that yet.
Oh.
Tell them what happened.
The car caught on fire because the fuel line melted. So I have a longer one now that goes around the headers. It's really safe now. I had to get all this coolant out of the motor, cooling system. And that was tough.
Why'd you have to do that?
Because they don't allow coolant here. And I'm never putting coolant in this car ever again.
Why is that?
Because it was a pain to flush it. It took like 20 gallons of distilled water. Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah? Why is that?
Looks like a badass track. I'm just watching these guys link all the corners. I think I'm going to be in second gear most of the track. It was a lot of fun. My car was just way too tight and sticky.
So now what?
I'm gonna put those other tires on because they're skinnier and they have more air in them.
Nice, all right.
I was expecting it to be a little more slippery with that really smooth asphalt. I mean, that last lap, it was pretty decent, that other half, but the tires were hot at that point. Oh, he belongs with somebody. I think I'm gonna be really excited once like the car is good.
What's up, what's up?
All right, we're back home. We had a great time up there. It was much shorter of a drive for us. It was cheaper. Even to compete, it was cheaper. The people were probably nicer.
It was very well organized, and you could tell that Cam and his family, they really cared about this running smoothly.
Yeah.
And just the track and everyone having a good time. So thank you guys for having us out. We will certainly be back. So one more event this year from what we know of. They usually post it on, they have like a website, I'll link it below. And then while you're at it, you might as well subscribe.
Yeah, we're gonna go back probably next year. I don't know. I don't think the car's healthy enough to go again this year. So, see you guys next time.